Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Brief. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. It seems like it's not a good year for YouTuber Anelisiwe Tshangana njengoba ayithi yamkhalela umnyaka ke sana qale ayindodzi yakhe yamchithela ama-side chick avela kuma-social media njena kuthiwa abogale bayamthuka uthuka ama-side chick indodzi yakhe icela abantu lapha namantombazane ukuthi ayimkhaphe kuma-conference relationship yabo or umshado wabo rather Rocky vele ugale waze wa-remove ama-wedding pictures abo wa-remove ngisho ne-ring. So mngani wa-Anelisiwe Tshangana udecide ukuthi expose ugeli athathe ama-status lawa abhala lapha kuma-WhatsApp asendele i-blogger laphana ngoba athi ufuna khipha indzaba ta-Anelisiwe Tshangana. Yavela indzaba lenjalo u-Anelisiwe itolo bekaluka abhala ama-status kufaka kuma-story laphana ku-Instagram athi yana muntu umbide ngemngani for years ube utshela ukuthi mngani wakho ngani muntu uhamba atshela abantu bema-blogger ati indzaba takho atibita ngelitiya ke sana phindze washo nje ukuthi indzaba yami nawe nje asiyilungise njengemadoda but minutes later and she decided to remove lama post wafaka le picture lena ke sana lesiyibona kulethi ndimkile anto zakuthi shame, and people are saying ukuthi what does she mean ke sana? Is she trying to delete herself mhlambe or tifakele? But people are really concerned about u-Anelisiwe because bayambona ukuthi she's not okay, akekho right. Guys, please fear friends. After God, fear friends. Makhonakala nje ukuthi umuntu angabi nemngani angabi naye because umngani nguye lugcine akuwisa. Imagine umuntu umbide ngemngani kani uyakubackstab. Oh, please subscribe, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.